Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video, we'll learn how to import data from one sheet to another sheet. So as you can see, I already have some raw data with me. So if I want to copy this data to some other sheet, there are two ways. One is you have to copy entire data and then go to the another sheet and paste the data, right? But this is not an ideal solution for this particular thing, okay? So instead of doing this one, we can use an import range function. So let me clear this first data, then we'll use here the function import range. So then we have to give the URL of the sheet from where we want the data. Okay, so I'm going to give this particular URL. Then we have to give the tab name. Okay, so because there will be an incident where you have a multiple tabs also here, so for this particular example I have only one tab, which is raw data. So I will copy this one tab name and paste it here. Okay, then I have to give the range. For this example I have to give the range from A1 to I17 because the last row is I17, right? So what I will do is I will give a range from A1 to I17, but instead of giving 17 I will give 100. I will tell you like why I'm giving 100. Okay. So now you can see the data is imported from the another sheet. Okay, so as I told you, I have given the range from A1 to I100. Okay, so why I give this range is, suppose if the data is updated in this sheet, so the same data will also update in this particular sheet automatically. How that work is, so let me copy this particular data, then I will paste it here, here, here and here. So I repeated it as a